Welcome to UNIHACK 2025. I'm Terence and I'll be your MC for the opening ceremony. Again, sorry about that. We'll keep this as brief as possible because we all know that you are all excited and itching to get started with your brilliant ideas. Before we kick things off, we would like to thank our fabulous sponsors. Without their generous support, we would not be able to run an event at this scale. First and foremost, I would like to thank our headline sponsor this year, Logitech. Let's hear from them now.
Hi, welcome to UNIHACK 2025. I'm Marisol Vargas, the ANZ Senior Category Manager here at Logitech, and I'm thrilled to be joining you virtually today. Innovation drives everything we do. We're constantly evolving to support the diverse ways creators like yourselves create, as shown by some of our new recent products. Regardless of your passion, whether it's design, development, coding, or so on, we push the boundaries and equip you with the tools to create, collaborate, and make an impact, but your way. That's why we are thrilled to be the platinum sponsor of UNIHACK 2025, supporting students nationwide as you turn bold ideas into reality. Now, over the next 48 hours, you'll have the opportunity to build something groundbreaking, challenging perspectives, revolutionizing industries, and shaping the future. Just as we empower creators at every stage, we hope the event fuels your creativity, sharpens your skills, and expands your vision of what's possible. Now, to all the competitors out there, be bold, get creative, and shake things up. But most importantly, have fun. Good luck, everyone, and we can't wait to see what you create.
In addition to Logitech, I would like to thank Atlassian and DataStax for their continued support. As well, I'd like to thank our hub partners, the Monash Association of Coding and the UNSW's Computer Science and Engineering Society. The Melbourne and Sydney hubs would not be possible without your assistance. Now we are the Imagination Hackathon. We encourage you to build whatever you want using the things that you learned during or outside of uni. And this includes leveraging third-party tools and APIs. And to tell you more about DataStax's own APIs, here's Phil Nash.
What's up, everyone? My name's Phil Nash and I'm a Developer Relations Engineer at DataStax. DataStax is a platform for building generative AI applications. We've got AstroDB, which is a NoSQL document database and vector store. And we've got Langflow, which is an open source visual builder for generative AI flows. Now I only have a minute, so I just want to show you what you can do with Langflow. When you create a new flow, you get a bunch of templates. I'm just going to pick the agent template here. And what you see here is a large language model acting as an agent with a couple of tools it can choose to use. It can make requests to URLs, and it can use a calculator, because language models are bad at doing maths. So if I ask the agent, what is 25 times 80 Australian dollars in US dollars? It can choose to use those tools to help answer the question. And it does. It works out that it's a total of 2,000 Australian dollars using the calculator, and then calls an exchange rate API to get the up-to-date exchange rate, giving us the answer 1,262 US dollars. Now you can build much wilder, much bigger flows with Langflow using all sorts of available components, and then access it through your in your application through the API. And for UNIHACK, we're giving away mechanical keyboards to the team who makes the best use of DataStax tools. I'll be around all weekend to help with any issues, so please find me in Discord if you have any questions at all. Thanks very much and have a great hack.
Now for the very important bits. Like all competitions, UNIHACK has a series of rules to make the competition fair. You can find all the rules on our website, unihack.net/rules, but in summary, your team must have 4 to 6 people, everyone on your team must be 18 years or older, and everyone in your team must be a student at an Australian or New Zealand university or TAFE. We do take our rules seriously, and breaking of the rules may result in disqualification. We also have a code of conduct, so we expect everyone, and we mean everyone, to follow the code of conduct. It applies regardless if you're competing at the hub or remotely, and it applies whether you're on Discord, Twitch, or IRL. Do your part to ensure UNIHACK continues to be a safe and welcoming environment for everyone. You can read the code of conduct on our website, and you can also find how you can report any violations of the code of conduct there too. Any request to be anonymous will be respected. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask us on Discord or on the Ask UNIHACK channel. You and everyone on your team should be registered on our team management app. If you've not done so already, do this now, after the opening ceremony. The registration link should be on our website. If you look at our schedule, you'll find a number of checkpoints, and these allow us to track your team's progress during the event. Your team will be filling these checkpoints on the team management app, and these checkpoints are mandatory. The first checkpoint is due 9 p.m. today, Melbourne time. Make sure you fill this on time. If you need help registering your team or filling out the checkpoint, make sure you check the Discord on the event guide channel. As mentioned, teams must be between 4 and 6 people, so if you are looking for a team or just need an extra pair of hands, the hubs will be organizing their own team matching sessions after this presentation. And if you're participating remotely, we will be having our own one on Discord at 6:30 p.m. Melbourne time. You will hear us mention Discord a lot, and that's because it plays a major part in how we operate this weekend. If you're not on our Discord server, then you should join now. The link is on our website. Make sure you pay attention to Discord because we use Discord to send announcements to you and your team. Our partners will also use Discord to send updates about the Melbourne and Sydney hubs. You will use Discord to communicate with mentors. We have some brilliant people who have volunteered their time to assist you in making your projects brilliant. So use them as much as possible, even on the non-technical stuff, such as reviewing your presentation or pitch, UI design, or even just interviewing them as a potential customer. You can send your request for mentor on Discord by using the Ask a Mentor channel. If you're at the hub, feel free to leverage any mentors that are physically present, but don't feel like you need to wait for them for support. If there are no mentors available or all of them are busy, jump on Discord and we'll be able to find mentors that can help you remotely. And lastly, we are bringing back our dedicated one-on-one mentor sessions. These are 20-minute sessions where you can ask your mentor everything and anything, including validating your idea or implementation. So we run these sessions on Saturday and Sunday morning, and these sessions are completely optional. But you will be asked on the first checkpoint if you would like to have one. If you fail to show up on time, you lose your slot entirely. Now, how do you submit your project? Well, we use DevPost as our main submission tool, and you'll find a link on our website. You have until Sunday 5 p.m. Melbourne time to submit your project. If you've not done so already, I would recommend you create a DevPost account after registering your team. As part of your submission, you will be required to produce a 3-minute pitch video. Anything over and the judges have been told to stop watching. The video does not have to be fancy, but it must include a demonstration of your project in action, so no PowerPoint-only presentations. And please avoid copyrights and music in your presentation, please. In addition, you'll be asked to submit your source code and list out any third-party tools that you may have used. This includes any generative AI tools you may have used during the creation of your project. Top tip, if you have a look at some of the past DevPost submissions of past winners, they have one thing in common. They're very detailed. Judges do actually read this in addition to watching the pitch video. So we make sure you pay attention to what you write and what you actually show in your video as well. We recommend you start planning out your pitch and your DevPost submission as early as possible. Don't leave this to the last minute. You can always come back and edit your submissions during the weekend. Now for the prizes. The main prize is the best overall hack, and every team is automatically in the running for that prize. And each entry is evaluated on the following criteria: polished design and execution, technical difficulty, originality and creativity, and of course, the wow factor. First place does win $5,000 in cash and some other goodies which you can find on our website, unihack.net. And we do have a number of other category and sponsored prizes as well. These are all opt-in, but we strongly recommend and encourage you to apply to the ones that you are eligible for. Again, the full list of prizes and the criteria for each prize is on our website. We also have our People's Choice Award, and this is where we give you the chance to evaluate your fellow competitors' entries. We will give you more information about that on the closing ceremony on Sunday. And it would not be UNIHACK without our 2 individual prizes. The Best Social Media Prize, which is for the best tweet, TikTok, or post using the UNIHACK 2025 hashtag. Once you've done that, do let us know what you post, because some of us, like me, do not have TikTok because we're boomers. And the best meme prize, which is the best something that encapsulates the UNIHACK experience for 2025, and only entries in the Memes and Dreams channel are eligible to win that prize. Now, that's a whole lot of information I've just info dumped on you, so let's summarize the key points for what you need to know today. So, you and your team need to be registered and submitting the first checkpoint by 9 p.m. Melbourne time today. For those looking for a team or those who just want an extra pair of hands, we'll be running our team matching sessions after this presentation. For those in the hub, it will be straight after, but for those on Discord or participating remotely, it will happen at 6:30 p.m. Melbourne time today. And if you're not already, hop onto our Discord server, because that's where we'll be communicating with you and your team. And as well, we'll be running raffles during the night. If you've missed anything, just visit our website at unihack.net, where it should all be there. And if not, you can always ask your question on Discord on the Ask UNIHACK channel. We also have an event guide there, which will summarize all the links as well. And one last thing, we have swag. Yes, of course. You can buy our t-shirt and sticker pack for UNIHACK 2025 on our website. The stickers are $4, the t-shirt comes at $14, and all of it is with free shipping. So if you want your UNIHACK 2025 shirt, make sure you order it soon. Anyways, we know that you're so eager to get started. Just make sure you take breaks, make sure you don't drink too much coffee, and try to get some sleep somewhere. Good luck, and we can't wait to see what you build on the weekend. Your time starts now. See you on Discord or in person.